Hello everyone, this is Dr. Mahesh from Synergy Group of Companies. I am working as a Chief Clinical Specialist for this company. I am here to talk about one specific concept called TCAR therapy. If you see in physiotherapy industry, there's a lot of new technologies has been available. The TCAR is a new generation technology that has been used for physiotherapy rehabilitation. TCAR stands for capacitive and resistive energy transfer. We can also call as diathermy and diathermic therapy. In some places, we can also call as endogenous thermotherapy, where it naturally enhances our healing process. In TCAR therapy, we use high frequency electrotherapy, where it has been created by the radio frequency spectrum. Once the temperature has been increased, where automatically it activates the microhypothermia, it helps to activate the analgesic opioids, and also it enhances the biostimulation and regenerative process. All this will helpful for reducing the edema and as well as the inflammation. In TCAR therapy, we use two application techniques. One is capacitive mode, other one is resistive mode. In capacitive mode, we use with special isolated coating material to contact the electrode to the tissues. So here what happens, in capacitive mode, we mostly focus in superficial area as well as high water content areas like muscles, vessels, as well as the lymphatic system. In resistive mode, where we mostly focus on high resistant areas like bones, ligaments and tendons. So here we have two options, whether you can work with superficial as well as a deeper. And also it comes with different power regulation, where we can also call it as athermia, homeothermia and diathermia, where you can see the three different applications that can be useful for acute, subacute and chronic pain management as well as conditions. We mostly use TCAR for pain management, reducing the inflammation and edema, and also we use it for improving the superficial and deep blood circulation. The major benefits of TCAR can be useful for pain management and also improve the superficial and deep blood circulation to improve the venous and lymphatic system. It helps in muscle relaxation and also improve the mobility. So here we're going to see the model called HR Deadness. HR Deadness comes with two applicators. One is capacitive, another one is resistive, and also it comes with the power of up to 300 watts. It comes with the impedance meter to work with the temperature. This device has been marketed by Synergy Group of Companies. Synergy, one-stop solution for all your physio and rehab needs.